Do your glasses not fit well? Here's some at-home ways to adjust your glasses. Do your glasses slip down your nose, or are they too tight on your face? Well then, you can adjust the temples of your glasses and change the curve. Warm up the temples for about 20 seconds with a hair dryer. Be careful not to heat it too long or it will get too hot. Hold the arm with one hand and use the thumb of your other to adjust the arm. Either move it forward to make it tighter or further back to give it more space. Are your eyes in the center of your glasses, or do they sit too high or too low? If so, you can adjust the bend of the nose pad. This also works great for bifocals or trifocals. Now at home, you can use a nose plier. Just make sure to either put tape on the end or use a cloth, otherwise it'll damage the glasses. So grab the temple arm and bend the nose part in. Match them up to make them even. The closer they are together, the higher they will sit. Do you feel like your glasses are crooked? Check in the mirror to see if your glasses are crooked. You can do another test by placing your glasses on a table. If all 4 points are touching the table, your glasses are not crooked. If, however, 1 point is off, this is the point that makes your glasses crooked. Make sure to bend the temple that is not touching the table and bend it to where it's even. If you have any more questions, feel free to check out our website or give us a call.